In the name of God, who is most gracious and merciful, I am Zubair Khan and you are watching my vlog. Oh God, where are you? A Palestinian from Gaza is the topic for this program. On Monday, 4 cargo aeroplanes dropped aid packets for Gaza residents. One aeroplane missed the target and threw the packets in the sea. Hunger makes the people crazy. How desperately Palestinians are risking their lives to get an aid packet you can see in the first part of this video. At the end, a lady with tears in eyes is asking the God in the name of his poor creature, "Oh God, where are you?" and requesting the world to help these poor and hungry people of Gaza.
It drops on Monday in collaboration with the French, sending relief and food items, including ready-to-eat meals of high nutritional value. The airdrop went into the sea, while the remaining 3 were dropped in southwestern areas of the territory.
Gaza's humanitarian crisis looks like this. Palestinians desperate for food, paddling and swimming out to sea after at least one plane airdropping aid appeared to miss its target, sending pallets of food crashing into the sea. In central and southern Gaza, hundreds crowding the beaches to try and secure their piece of the rations. But this is the other side of desperation. Groups of men wielding whips and bats, steering crowds away from their precious cargo. Months of hunger and war triggering fights for survival when there is not enough for everyone. This is what they are fighting over. Ration packs, a lifeline for the lucky few.
I was lucky and able to get one of these aids. But what about all those other people who were not able to get this aid? Look, this one didn't get any, and this one didn't get any.
But so much more is needed.
I'm asking from the Arab nations. We are thankful for the aid through the parachutes, but we need more, and we need it distributed in a better way. This will not stop our hunger. We don't need a capsule, because when we eat this, we will eat it, and that's it. It's finished.
But nowhere are people more desperate for food aid than in northern Gaza, where women and children wait in long lines for what now passes for food, a cloudy soup mixture made with dirty water and whatever grains can be found.
There was no food or drinking water, no flour or anything. There was no cooking oil, not even drinking water. Death is better than this.
Humanitarian aid deliveries this month dropped by half compared to January, according to a United Nations relief agency, which blamed Israeli military operations and the collapse of civil order in Gaza. In northern Gaza, aid groups suspending aid delivery amid looting and attacks on aid trucks, leaving many with few options to stay alive.
Look, we are eating animal feed against our will, but have to eat it.
Without food or clean water, their voices are all they have left.
The suffering of Gaza is extremely difficult. Where are the authorities? Where is the government? Israel made us hungry and our government made us hungry, and people are stealing. Shame on you Arabs. Where are you?
But after nearly 5 months of war, is the world listening?
There is no food to feed my children, nor there is any bread. We came to the point where we are eating tree leaves. We are eating the food of this donkey.
All of northern Gaza is starving. There is no shelter, no drink, no food. There is nothing.
One thing I've noticed, and you've probably noticed it too, they say that a tree is known by its fruit. And I've noticed that the Palestinians bear such sweet fruit. And if there is a God, I believe that the Palestinians and Muslims are God's chosen people. I see evidence of God amongst them in their behavior, in their hearts, their compassion. They are truly beautiful people. And I spent 11 years in a conservative Christian church, and I never saw that kind of fruit. Nope, not even close. But they just display this godliness that makes it even worse, because forces of evil are committing acts of atrocities against these sweet people. And I think that's what drives us to push harder and fight harder for their justice because they deserve it. They haven't done anything wrong. And if there is a God, those are his people.
Please remember to subscribe the video, like it, share it, and also press the bell icon.